Hi, it's me, PamVanEe, and I finished this little gift bag journal, which was a lot of fun to make. On the little strings, I put these pretty butterflies. This is a gift bag, and I put a little, a stretchy band with some flowers and cheesecloth that I thought would be pretty to put on it. And there's a little give, so this could be a little fuller. This is a one signature. And I did show some of the how to, put it together on another video. I had this lace, and then here I added this little paper and this trim. A journal card, Snow and Summer, Garden Gems, and this is Western Publishing, 1980. And it says hello there. And here I added that peacock, then I added these dimensional little hearts. And it says happy little moments. And in this tuck, we have some pretty scrapbook paper with some little embroidered flowers, little vintage lace, and then you can journal on the back. Here's a little journal card. You can learn a lot of things from flowers. And added that pretty vintage lace. And some of these stickers are Maggie Holmes. So I had wrapped this piece around so that this could be a tuck also. And I thought it was pretty. Went with these flowers here. It's a postcard, and it's stamps portraying flowering trees. Here I stamped This Book Belongs To. This was a sticker inside the paper bag. This is a guest check that I sewed a few little things to. And then here I added a little tuck, and there's a little bird card here. It's pretty scrapbook paper, and in the pocket at the top there is a journal card. And that color brought out some of the blues in here. We have music paper. And then this looks like almost like a faux handmade paper. You can see the stamp from the side. That was stamped here. More little note paper. And then this is where I added the little pieces that were for Maggie Holmes. And they come up, line up with the stamp. So I thought that was kind of fun. Places to journal. Added Hello Sunshine and that little bug and this really pretty paper. Added a sticker here, chamomile tea, and this is pretty stationery on the side. And in the pocket, I had this tag and added this pretty, like a die cut, and it's really light modeled cardstock. Pretty scrapbook paper that I added some ribbons to. Added a little bee and a butterfly. There's a little bee over here. And I decided to put this post-it note on this side. how did I have it this way? So it doesn't really matter which side. And then here I have a journal card. To love and to be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. And cute stationery with a little mouse on a flower. Added that little sticker. And here is a belly band. I added this pretty glittered butterfly. Then you have a matching journal card here. And a little recipe card with a flower. A lot of fun places to journal. It's just a cute size. Here I have a little tuck with these flowers. Scrapbook paper. And you can journal here. More writing space. Added this little tuck, a little vintage Pictionary card. Pretty scrapbook paper with polka dots. And then here I just added that trim. And then you have a beautiful journal card. I added paper to the back. This is really pretty with the butterflies. And then some stickers and a little label that I inked up. Pretty sticker. And then I changed this around. I had a different flower here, and I like this glittered one better. Added that little bird, and then I decided to put stickles here and here on the flower that I cut out. I just thought it needed something. So yeah, I put that flower on over the other one that I had. I added this pretty glittered flower to this tag. And it has a little, kind of like how that is. Here's the middle of the signature. This is where we have the little butterflies. And we have a tuck here and a card with lace. And a little sticker there. And then pretty bird paper. I added this stationery. So you could journal a lot on there. And on this side, we also have a tuck. And that's really pretty. You could do either way. You could do that way. Or you could do this way. I just think that's pretty. And here's some more really pretty birds. We have this to journal on. Some birds here. It's pretty. It looks like watercolor. And happy thoughts to write on. And this will be listed in my shop tomorrow. My shop name is same as my YouTube channel, PamVanEe. And then we had done this before. It's a CD envelope. And I just carried the paper over here, and I had another Maggie Holmes, I believe, bunny. That opens up. And then you have this little tag here. I was going to do something else here, but I don't mind that. Cute little boots and flowers. And then here I made this little booklet. And there is sheets of paper in here. And then I did a little stenciling. And then I added some glittered stickers here. just for a little interest. We have writing. Added this little sticker there, and then I added the other sticker from Maggie Holmes, the little camera. And there's that cute little stamp. And I added that it's a sticker that's dimensional. And I added a heart over here. And here I added grateful and a little tuck with a butterfly, and then some receipts. Added a stamp, the bird stamps that I got from the Dollar Tree. Here I had showed you how I did this with a just a die cut and a bird sticker here. So it's a tuck. Have this journal card and added the embroidered flowers. And this is a floral card from a garden book. Pretty paper, more of that glittery stickers. And more of that stationery. And then here I have a pocket with a little sticker. I made a little place to journal with this stamp. I stamped it on different color papers. So, yeah, it's fun to use your stamps. A little place to journal. Stencil that went with the page here. More little cute little stickers. There's a little bird and stamp here on this side, and that says think happy, be happy. Maybe I'll go down just a little. And then here, the paper bag, I added these stickers and label, and this was kind of a vintage envelope, and I tore paper, and then I added cheesecloth and this flower, more little torn paper, and added that, more torn paper. And that will go in here, and also this pretty journal card. I think I went this way. Oh, I'll have something in here too. Pretty butterfly paper that I put paper to be able to journal on. Fits in there, and then I think I went like that, yeah. Paper bag, and then I added sticker bloom where you are planted, and then a fern. This is a paper bag here that I folded over so I can have a little tuck. Actually, there's a tuck here too. And then another flower. That's a die cut. And then here is the little, it was like a little paper bag. I don't know if it was like for a cookie or something, but it had this round circle. So then I put a little card in it so that you could journal. And then I added this little Maggie Holmes sticker just to bring out some of that color to it. Isn't that cute how that turned out? And you can add a picture, do whatever you wanted. You could write on paper and then add it there. And then this is the back part of the paper bag. And I just added paper here and here to strengthen it so you have lots of room to put things in there. like so. So that is the gift bag. Did I say paper bag? It's a gift bag. That I made into a journal. So I hope you enjoyed that. And like I said, it will be listed in my Etsy tomorrow. But it's just such a cute little journal. What size is it? This is about a little over 5 by 7 3/4 about. So thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't already, I would really appreciate it if you leave a comment or like, or if you haven't subscribed, that would mean a lot to me. So we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.